Hello everyone, welcome to Google Chrome tutorials. In this video we are going to see a very interesting option related to Google Chrome, and that is how do we enable full screen into a Chrome browser. So for those of you who don't know this, Google Chrome provides a feature of full screen. So what happens in this feature is that your address bar gets disabled. That means it won't be visible to you anymore, and whatever the contents over here are, they would be expanding to the full screen of your browser. Okay, so how do we enable this full screen? That is the first thing that we're going to see in this video. The second thing that we're going to see is that once we have enabled full screen, then how are we going to navigate between the tabs? Because it is a high chance that once you have opened an article or you have opened a particular link or a particular web page, then you might want to navigate to other web pages as well. So how are we going to do that? This is what we will see. Then finally we will see how do we disable the full screen. So everything that you need to know about enabling full screens, navigating through them, and then finally disabling them will be discussed in this video. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So without any further ado, let's start with the video. The process is very simple. First of all, what we're going to do is we are going to actually see that how do we open new tabs in a normal mode and then navigate through them into full screen mode. So what I'm going to do, this is my first tab, which is nothing is opened in this tab. In the second tab, I'm just going to Google Tech. So this is going to be my second tab. In the third tab, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open some of the articles. So let's just open a few articles like this. Okay, then let's just wait for these articles to open. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to click on any of these links. So this will be open on the new tab. So basically we have 4 to 5 tabs with us that have been opened, and this is in the normal mode. Now what we are going to do, we are going to go onto the full screen mode. But before that, let's just take a look at the tabs that we have. We have a total of 6 tabs that are opened right now. This is first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. Okay, this is the option that you need to remember actually when we are in the full screen. So how do we go into the full screen? Let's just close this pop-up first. How do we go into the full screen? The process is pretty simple. You have a shortcut key F11. So once you click on that shortcut key, that is the F11 shortcut key, then what happens is the full screen mode would be enabled onto your Chrome browser. Alright, so now I'm in the full screen. As you can see, the address bar is not visible anymore to me. Okay, now you must be thinking, if we are in full screen, we cannot see the tabs, then how do we navigate from one tab to another? So the process is very simple. All you need to do is remember that how many tabs were opened. Okay, so we had 6 tabs that were opened, and each of these tabs have a number. Like on the first tab, we have provided it a number 1. Actually Chrome provides it. The second tab number 2, third tab number 3, and so on. So what we need to do is press on the control key and the corresponding number. Suppose I want to go to the first tab. If you remember, the first tab was a blank tab, so I just press Ctrl 1 from my keyboard and I go back to my first tab, which is this one. If I want to go to second tab, I just press Ctrl 2 and I will navigate to my second tab. For the third tab, Ctrl 3. For the fourth tab, Ctrl 4. For the fifth tab, Ctrl 5. For the sixth tab, Ctrl 6. Now if I do not have any tabs, let's say I press Ctrl 7, then none of the actions are getting done, because no new tabs are no further tabs are there. If you want to scroll this, you can scroll it very simply. You want to open some other link, you can just click on that particular link and that new tab would be opened. If you want to open it a new tab, what you can do, if you want to open a link in a new tab, then what you can do, either you can just right click and click on open link in new tab, or what you can do, you can just control click on that link and automatically that link would be opened in the new tab. If you want to navigate to the new tab, just add a new number, that is Ctrl 7. So now what happens is your article, your link is opened into a new tab. Now if you want to come out of this full screen mode, then what you can do, just use the shortcut again, that is the F11 key, and once you have used the shortcut, you will be out of the mode, the full screen mode. So let's just do that. And here you can see we are back into the normal screen mode. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.